August 4, 2025, Monday, exactly 1:05 midnight. Babe Ball, I love you so much. I am very sorry if I am always late to send any text with you and Facebook Live. By the way, Babe Ball, uh, by tomorrow, Monday, 97.1, FM radio station Barangay Love Story, Wanted Forever, Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and Good Night Philippines, 11 p.m. to 12 midnight. Babe Ball, hopefully you're still in good condition. Always remember, please do not jealous and please bless me always to have a work